por baman kasngi. Awan lam shipi da unang yanam ni.
And all those who have joined us here today to celebrate the 54th anniversary of statehood day of our beautiful state of Meghalaya. This morning, I had received a letter from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, wishing each and every one of you a very happy Meghalaya Day. I would like to pass on that message to all of you, the greetings, the blessings, and the wishes that Honorable Prime Minister sends to all the citizens of Meghalaya. Thank and pay my respect to all our leaders of the past, especially those who had fought in a non-violent way, persistent, committed, and determined to get our own identity and our own state.
The official celebration of Meghalaya happened here in Bagmara. This is a good sign for all of you. As we all know, South Garo Hills is the most backward district which we can say, which we also trying our best from the government to make sure that the last mile connectivity happened. I'm happy to inform to all of you, while celebrating the 54 years of our statehood, my dear friends of Bagmara as well as of South Garo Hills district, hope has started under the leadership of our Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma and his team. Our Honorable Minister of IPR, who is also looking after education, he has already highlighted the initiative taken by the government as far as education sector is concerned. I would also like to add sugar. For your information, the connectivity from the state capital Shillong to Bagmara, 60% has been completed and now left with another 40%. So therefore, I'm happy to inform to all of you, within few months from now, we are going to start construction, widening, improving the road connectivity from Ranikor via Mausanram up to Wailoy. And we have already calculated that the distance from Bagmara district headquarters to Shillong, once this project is completed, it will not take much, or it will not take more than 6 hours. So
we need the cooperation of every stakeholder. Let us work together. Let us dream big and work into that dream.
This performance is rare, somber, and deeply ritualistic, with no casual drumming or dancing in daily life.
तो complete हो जाएगा.
Trupina Mauple, UDA, Deputy Commissioner, Eastern West Khasi Hills District.
Superintendent, Inspector General of Prisons and Correctional Services. Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong.
छूट देनी पड़ेगा. छप्पा देनी.
Banyo iki kuwan baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe ika channel Ulong Yelang News. Kumle shibu.